Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to tie a bridal gele. So here I'm trying to show you how to measure your gele. So I have a equal length that I've folded into 50-50. I'll fold it into another 50-50 again, which is in 4 places. So that is equal length. The three, I'll remove one and one is 30, the remaining three is the 70. So that is how you measure your gele. So after I folded the 70-30, I'll fold the extreme end of the gele where I want to use, that is the in between of the 30 and the 70. So I've split about 6 pleats from the middle. After I've pleated about 6 pleats, I'll take it to my model's head and I will knit the pleats on her head. Once I've secured the pleat properly, I will knit it and I will so after I've knit the pleats, I will be securing the length. I'll bring the 30 measurement to the left side and I'll bring the 70 measurements to the right side from the back. So the gele is not a full gele. As you can see, I did not put the full part of it on her second ear. It was covering the half part of her hair, which is the back of the ear. So I'll be bringing the 30 measurement to cover the hair. So I'm trying to tell my model to help me secure it down, and I'll be bringing the 30 measurement upward. After I bring it upward, I'll secure the pleat from the first end to the last end of this 30 measurement. You have to be careful while doing this so that you won't lose your pleat. So I'll secure the pleat. I don't know how many pleats you can secure from this, but as much as possible you can secure, but you have to secure it from the first end of the pleat to the last end of the 30 length. So once I've secured the pleat properly, secured the pleat to the last end, I'll be using office pin to hold the last end down to the first pleat that I pleated earlier. I hold it down to the first 70 pleats. I secure it from the back. I'll be using an office pin to hold it down. If you are not sure about one office pin, you can use about 2 to 3 so that your gele will not remove while trying to pleat the rest. If you are not sure about one pin, you can use about 2 to 3 pins. So once I'm done with that, I'll be bringing the remaining 70 measurement upward. I'll secure the extreme end of it. I'll fold it properly, and once I fold it properly, I will bring it forward to cover the pleats that I've pleated earlier, which is the part of the 70 and the remaining 30. So once I've secured about 2 to 3 pleats from this 70 length, I'll use a pin to hold it down to the 30 measurements that I've pleated down earlier. The last pleat from the 30 measurements, I'll use the pin to hold it down with these 2 pleats that I'm pleating from the 70 measurements to secure it down, so that when you are pleating the rest of the pleats, it won't remove and you have easy access to the remaining pleats. So I'll use office pin to hold it down to the last pleat of the 30 that I pleated down earlier. So once I hold it down, and I will start pleating my remaining pleats. With what we've pleated down, your gele cannot remove, and you can see something to work with easily. So here I'm trying to pleat the remaining pleats. If you are not an expert in this aspect, you can be telling your model to help you hold it down in the extreme end of the left side as you are pleating, so that the pleat will not remove or it will not scatter while you are pleating. So once I've pleated it to the end, so I will keep pleating. I try bringing all my gele forward so I would know what I'm working with. So I'll pleat everything to the last end of the pleat. As I'm pleating now, I'm not picking a big pleat, so the pleat will be neat and well arranged. What I'm saying is, you can tell your model to help you hold the extreme left side as you are pleating it one by one. Tell her to help you hold it down so that the pleat will not scatter as you are pleating. So once I've secured the pleat to the extreme end of the pleat of the gele, I'll be securing it at the back again. I will knit the pleat from the left side to the right side. You have to be careful while doing this, because once your gele once the pleat is scattered, once one pleat is scattered, everything will scatter. So I'm telling my model to help me hold it down while I knit the left side pleat. What I'm saying is that if you are pleating and you are not sure about what you are doing, if you are not an expert in this, you can tell your model to help you hold it down while you are pleating, so you don't need to arrange again after you've pleated all. So I will arrange it properly, and once I'm done, I'll be securing it at the back. So to the new modern gele, they don't tie gele at the back again. We use a pin to hold it down properly. Once you are done securing the first end, so I'll be lifting. You pick about 3 to 4 pleats from this pleat that you've arranged, and you'll be pushing it upward so your gele will come out higher. If it is not neat as you are pushing it forward, you can leave it. After you've secured it at the back, you can come back to it to arrange it again. So as I'm pushing it forward, I'm trying to raise the gele to make it have higher length. So I will be securing it at the back here. I arrange it to pick my pleats properly, and once I'm done, I'll be securing it. I'll fold it at the back. I'll fold it at the back and bring it to the middle of the gele, and I will secure it down with office pin. I'll secure it down with office pin. If you are not sure about one pin, you can use about 3 to 4 pins so that your gele will not remove. But if you've secured your gele properly, believe me, it won't remove. Even if you dance from now till tomorrow, it won't remove. You can use about 3 to 4 pins, just be on a safer side. So once I've secured it properly, I will knit the back properly. If you want it to cover the full back, you do it to cover the full back. So once I'm done, I'll be knitting the gele. I'll pick my pleat again from one side to the other side to arrange it properly. So here is what I'm saying: you have to be careful while picking your pleats so that it won't scatter when you are arranging it. So I'll be picking the pleats from one side to the other side to arrange it properly. So I'll tell my mother to help me hold it down to secure it down properly, because as you are arranging one side, if you don't secure it down, the other side too will scatter again. So you have to tell your model, or if you have any help around you, to help you secure it down so that you have less work to do. The best teacher is to practice whatever you've learned in this tutorial, so that you will see the outcome of the so that you see the result of your practice, and practice they say makes perfect. So I'm trying to arrange it here to get my neat pleat, and once I'm done, I'll bring it upward a bit, and our bridal gele is ready. You can see it come out nice and neat, which I'll be properly arranged again till I have a very neat gele to work with. And so once you are done, you shift it to the back a bit for the gele beauty to come out. My model does not really like gele being shifted to the back too much, but you can shift your gele to the back to bring out the front ear a bit, and the beauty of the gele will come out properly. So here is the outcome. If you enjoyed this video, please practice, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you, love you guys, bye.